A carbide burr tool is widely used in shipbuilding and marine repair to clean welds and remove corroded metal surfaces because it can aggressively cut through rust, scale, and hardened weld deposits while still allowing the technician to maintain precise control in tight or difficult-to-reach areas. In marine environments, steel structures are constantly exposed to saltwater, moisture, and oxygen, which accelerates corrosion and leads to pitting, flaking rust, and weakened weld seams that must be cleaned and repaired to maintain structural integrity. A carbide burr, when used with a high-speed die grinder, allows shipfitters and welders to rapidly strip away this deteriorated material, exposing clean, solid metal underneath so that repairs can be properly performed. When cleaning welds, the burr is often used to remove slag, spatter, and irregular bead buildup, blending the weld smoothly into the base metal to reduce stress concentrations and improve both appearance and durability. Because tungsten carbide is extremely hard and wear-resistant, the burr maintains its cutting ability even when repeatedly contacting abrasive rust layers or hardened weld metal, which would quickly dull standard grinding tools. Its variety of shapes, such as tapered, flame, and cylindrical designs, makes it especially useful in shipbuilding, where access can be restricted by hull geometry, frames, and internal compartments, allowing workers to reach into corners, seams, and curved surfaces. In corrosion repair work, the burr helps chase out rusted pits by grinding them back to stable metal, ensuring that coatings, primers, and weld repairs adhere properly without contamination from oxidized material. Overall, the carbide burr tool is essential in marine maintenance because it combines fast material removal with precision control, enabling reliable weld preparation, corrosion cleanup, and structural restoration in harsh, demanding environments. Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.